Hey guys, so recently Sleek came out with their Copperplate highlighting palette. And this I feel is more geared toward people who have deep melanin infused skin tones, and this is just a beautiful palette. This is what the palette looks like, and it does smell a lot like mint. When I first opened it, it was just like pow, mint in your face, like peppermint. But now it's kind of like I just get a little waft of it if I was to like bring it near my face. But the smell does dissipate, so don't worry about it too tough. But yeah, this is what the palette looks like. I feel like only one shade, I think it's this one and possibly this one on the high points of my cheekbones. They suit me, but the other two I would have to use for like eyeshadow or something of that effect, or in a corner or something, because they're too pigmented, too richly pigmented for me to wear as highlights. But you know, pressed powders, you can use it however you want. You can wear it however you please. So if it doesn't suit you as a highlight, you can use it as for your eyeshadows. And I wanted to compare this to the Cleopatra's Kiss palette, because both of them I feel are definitely geared toward women of color, and this one will definitely be a little bit more on a little bit geared toward my skin tone as opposed to the other one. Now this one has two cream shades, and as you can see, the pickup from the powders have definitely gotten stuck in those two creams, and that's something that I just cannot stand. But here we are, it is what it is, you know. So I basically wanted to do some swatches so that you guys can see exactly what the difference was between the two. Okay, so as you know, this one is all powders. They have no creams in this palette at all. So, and also this one doesn't have any names. Like this one, it has names. This one has no names. So anyway, we're gonna swatch this one first. So those are all of the swatches. Then for this one here, Cleopatra's Kiss, I'm going to do the powders first and then the swatches of the creams. So the first one is Sphinx. The next one is Goddess. And then we have Delta. And then lastly, Dynasty. Now what I will say is that when you're layering powders on top of creams, you're always going to get a more blinding highlight. The Sleek formula is always so blinding anyway. So layering your powders on top of the creams, oh, it's going to be crazy beautiful. So I feel that, okay, first of all, in the beauty community, when they say medium, like medium skin tone, I always thought that I fit into the medium skin tone category. And over the past few years, I've learned that no, you don't. You're kind of considered like medium deep. Medium is someone who's a little bit lighter than me, who's kind of like borderline in, you know, white. It's the only way I can say it. But I feel that the Cleopatra's Kiss palette was more geared toward people who have a medium skin tone, and I feel like I am medium. Although it's been proven that I'm not. But I feel like that palette and those shades are more geared toward people who have my kind of skin tone. And then the Copperplate palette shades, those ones are geared more toward people who have deeper skin tones. So I guess it's up to yourself to kind of go in store to your nearest Boots chemist and swatch them and see which one is more suitable for your skin tone if you are somebody who has my kind of complexion or deeper. I mean, if you do have a deeper complexion than mine, then I would say that it's like a no-brainer, like get the Copperplate. But everybody likes to wear their makeup different. Like there might be someone who is a lot lighter than me who would think that these shades or the Cleopatra's Kiss would suit them, and in some cases that's correct, you know, it's right. And like even me, sometimes I like to wear pink highlight, but the next girl who is my shade and complexion will not wear no pink highlight. They'll be like, no, I need to wear gold highlight. Because I guess it's all personal preference, and you know, it's subjective. You wear whatever you want to wear. But these are, again, these are the swatches for all of the sleek highlighting palettes which are geared toward women of color, and I feel like they've done a really good job. I really do. And as I said in previous videos, these are only what, $9.99. I feel like you can't go wrong. You really can't. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.